Hey guys, guess what? More fractions. Yes, more fractions. However, we added more to it now. Fractions with algebra. Double trouble. So, if you know your fractions from year 7, from year 6, you're fine. If you don't, guess what? You're going to have to go back to refresh your memory. I'm going to help you. We're going to do algebraic fractions, and I'm going to help you understand how they work. However, don't panic. They follow the same rules as normal fractions. So if you know how to work out and add and subtract and multiply and divide fractions, well, algebraic fractions, they follow the same rules and they behave in the same way. Let's get started with the basics. We're now adding and subtracting algebraic fractions with common denominators. Denominators that are the same. We're looking at the first example. The first example, y over 6 plus y over 6. Now, the denominators, are they common? Yes, they are. If they are common, we know that we can just simply add the numerators. The numerators on top, if we have a common denominator, we just add the numerators. Let's do that now. Y plus y, 2y. 2y over 6. So our answer is 2y over 6. But hang on, in fractions we have to always simplify. 2 over 6, we know we divide by 2. Divide by 2 is the highest common factor. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so 1y. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our final answer is y over 3. So it's simple, like normal fractions. We add the numerators when we have a common denominator. We have that and that. Y plus y is 2y. 2y over 6. We only add the numerators. 2y over 6 simplified, y over 3. Again, we have now a subtraction. So algebraic fractions with subtraction. So addition and subtraction follow the same rules. Do we have a common denominator? Yes, we do. We just work out and we subtract the numerators. 5b take away b. So we have 5b take away b. We know there's a 1 there. 5b minus 1b is 4b over the denominator, which is 7. 4b over 7. It's as simple as that. That's the furthest. We can't simplify more than that. Let's do 2 more. 6a over 11 plus 5a over 11. Okay, we are looking to add the fractions. Do we have common denominators? Yes, we do. We can add the top. 6 plus 5, 11a over 11. Now, can we simplify? Yes, we can. 11 over 11. 11 divided by 11 is 1. So our answer is just 1a or just a. It's that easy. So 11 divided by 11 is 1. 1a or a. That's how we write it. It's that simple. Last one. 2x over 15 plus x over 15. Again, are they common denominators? Yes, they are. So we can simply add the numerators, simply add the top. 2x plus x is 3x over 15. Can we simplify 3x over 15? Yes, we can. 3 over 15, we know the highest common factor is 3. 3 go into 3 and 3 go into 15. So our final answer, 3 divided by 3 is 1x or just x. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. So our final answer for that question, x over 5. So if you notice, this is the same as normal fractions. Don't get scared, don't worry. If you know your fractions, then this is easy. If you said, no, I don't know my fractions, guess what? I've prepared lessons, how to solve fractions, how to add them, how to subtract them. Go back and check them out and don't panic, you'll be fine. As you can see, algebra, it behaves the same way as normal numbers, but we have our pronumerals. It is easy. Follow the examples and you'll be fine. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you become. You're going to use this in later years as well. So make sure you become excellent at this.